In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Adobe Creative Cloud. To get started, open the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app on your computer. This is the main app where you manage your Adobe applications, updates, and account settings. Once the app is open, look to the upper right corner of the window and click on your profile icon. This will open a drop-down menu with several account and app options. From that menu, select Preferences. As soon as you click it, a Preferences window will appear. This is where Adobe lets you customize different settings for the Creative Cloud desktop app, including language options. Next, go to the left side panel in the Preferences window and click on Language. This section is specifically where you can control how language is used in Creative Cloud. Depending on what you want to change, there are two different language settings to pay attention to here, so it's important to choose the right one. If you want to change the language that Adobe uses for future app installations, look for the setting called Default Install Language. Click the drop-down menu and select the language you want. This affects the language used when you install Adobe apps going forward, which is helpful if you want newly installed apps to open in a different language by default. If instead you want to change the language of the Creative Cloud desktop app itself, find the option called Creative Cloud Desktop Language. Click that drop-down and choose your preferred language. After you select it, a confirmation pop-up will appear, letting you know that the app will restart once the change is applied. Go ahead and click Apply to confirm. At that point, Creative Cloud will restart and apply the new language setting for the desktop app. If you changed the default install language, that setting will simply be saved for future installations. One quick tip before you finish: make sure you're changing the correct language option based on your goal. The default install language affects Adobe apps you install later, while the Creative Cloud desktop language only changes the language of the Creative Cloud app itself. That distinction can save you some confusion if the change doesn't show up where you expected. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language in Adobe Creative Cloud.